Tonight, there are growing concerns surrounding a new COVID-19 variant.
And because of that, the U.S. is now banning airline travel from South Africa and 7 other countries starting on Monday. Nico Clemens is live at TPA and has reaction from health experts and travelers. Nico, good evening.
Hey, Marco, Jennifer, and that travel ban is happening as we're in the middle of a busy travel season. But the World Health Organization, they classified the Omicron variant as a variant of concern earlier today, but there are still tons of unknowns.
COVID-19 impacting travel once again after the World Health Organization identified a new variant of concern Friday. President Biden ordered air travel restrictions from South Africa and 7 other countries as a precautionary measure. European Union nations also agreed to impose a travel ban to counter its spread.
Given air travel throughout our world, it's really difficult to keep some of these viruses from transmitting to other parts of the world.
Health experts say travel restrictions can delay but not prevent the spread of a highly transmissible variant. 8 on Your Side talked with an infectious disease specialist who says it's too early to panic, but understands why these restrictions are going in place.
We've sadly seen this play out multiple times now. What happens in a different part of the world can affect us here in the U.S.
At Tampa International Airport,
it's not going away.
We caught up with Ofer Harel. It's his first time flying since 2019.
Absolutely nervous. I didn't know what to expect, really.
Harel says he's already had COVID, and some of his family members in Israel got hit by the Delta variant. So the news of another variant is concerning.
The variant will happen, things will happen, but we'll have to learn. We'll learn how to live with it.
Right now, health leaders are trying to figure out how contagious this new strain is.
The concern is the large spike in infections, new infections in South Africa is what prompted everyone to take precaution.
So the CDC hasn't identified any cases of this new variant in the U.S. Moderna is in the process of testing 3 of its booster vaccines against this new variant. At TPA, I'm Nico Clemens, 8 on Your Side.